Hey everybody, it's Halley O'Brien, this is No Boundaries, and I'm here at Sunshine Village in Banff, Canada. It is super early in the morning, the resort isn't even open yet, and I'm going up with snow safety to blow some things up. All in the name of safety, of course. Don't worry, they're trained professionals. I hope.
I met up with Tim, Assistant Supervisor of Snow Safety, and he told me what they typically look for when determining avalanche risk and need for prevention.
We're concerned with sort of three primary things that will affect our snowpack, which would be wind, temperature, precipitation.
Those factors can make the snow unstable and more likely to cause an avalanche. So I asked him, what do we do? How do we make the snow more stable?
So we're going to head out this morning and we're going to take a rather large explosive and we're going to try to trigger an avalanche and then get the terrain back open for the public.
We're going to take a rather large explosive and just bring it up to the mountain, no big deal.
No big deal.
Before lighting up that rather large explosive, we ventured over to Sunshine Village's very own weather plot where we checked the temperature, wind speed, overnight snowfall, the snowpack's density, and many other factors relevant to an avalanche forecaster. And yeah, some methods were a little more scientific than others. Don't ask. We had our data and avalanche control location, so we took a snowmobile to the bomb site. Needless to say, I was excited.
Oh my God, we're here. This is where we blow things up.
Just give me a shout when you're gonna light her up, okay?
The safety guards were in place, our explosive was lit. We waited. And suddenly... Oh my God! The explosive exploded and the avalanche was triggered. Great success.
That was crazy. I loved it. Let's do it again!
Thanks to ski patrol crews around the world, we can enjoy a winter paradise like this with way more peace of mind knowing that a team of trained professionals is looking out for our safety.
I'm Halley O'Brien, this is No Boundaries, where there's always a 50% chance of sarcasm and explosives. I'll see you next time.